album to your desktop. Okay, so this is me. Hello. Okay, now we're going back to the pictures, and the picture that we're going to be using will be this one. What you do is you do a left click on the picture, then you go to save picture as, then you go to your desktop, click on it. You're going to give your file a name. We're going to name our file 1. Okay, so you save it, and to make sure that you have your picture on your desktop, you can go and minimize your, and then it's right here. Desktop, you have 1, which is the picture. Double click, and that's your picture right here. You can close it and then go back to your Word Picasa album right here. And this is how you download the picture from your Picasa Word album to your desktop. So good luck doing yours. Bye.